forward to running with Joni Ernst. And that sign that hopefully you'll put out in your lawn, Ernst & Young, the accountability firm.
So to do this, we do have to reform Medicare, Medicaid, and Social Security. And the way we do that with Social Security is by looking at transitioning our younger workers onto individual plans or individual savings accounts, whether that's tied to the market, whether it's based on interest rates.
Well, first of all, you just have to put everything on the table, and that's where you start. You put retirement age, taxes, benefits, means testing, and that's where you start.